Hello, everyone. Welcome to Brain Meets Bot, the podcast where your brain wrestles with a bot. I'm your host, Hani, with co-host
खुशी.
और आज का एपिसोड जो है वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और थोड़ा सा स्केरी होने वाला है बिकॉज हम आज बात कर रहे हैं द डार्क साइड ऑफ एआई की.
एआई हमारी लाइफ इजी बना रहा है फ्रॉम चैटबॉट्स टू सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स, बट क्या एआई डेंजरस भी हो सकता है? क्या जॉब्स ख़त्म हो जाएंगी? फेक वीडियोस, प्राइवेसी इश्यूज.
इन सब टॉपिक्स को डिस्कस करने के लिए हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं. वेलकम टू द शो फातिमा.
Hi, hello everyone.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो फातिमा आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन करवाएं कि आप हैं कौन.
I'm just a girl.
Just a girl.
My name is Fatma Ajmal. I'm a fourth semester student in media studies. I am in IOBM currently, and that's all.
That's all? Okay. How much do you know about AI?
How much do I know about AI? I can tell you this. Let me change the question a little bit. How much I hate AI.
Oh my god.
I saw that coming. I definitely saw that coming.
Yeah, I do not like AI very much, and I strongly dislike it, and I try to persuade people to not use it.
So we have someone who hates AI. I see. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि लोग एआई को लेके इतना फैसिनेटेड क्यों हैं?
Because it just does everything in like a jiffy. People don't have to work, people don't have to put in effort. वो आपको प्लेट में रख के जो ना हलवा दे रहा है, वो आपको हलवा दे रहा है.
So you think कि AI हमें बहुत ज़्यादा lazy बना रहा है?
Definitely. But I don't think it's a fact. It is making us lazy.
Acha Fatma, so I heard a rumor. I heard a rumor that Fatma deleted ChatGPT and Gemini.
Oh, that's so true. I did. I was like furious with it because the thing people don't realize is एक तो obviously it makes you very dumb. Everybody knows that. I mean, आप खुद सोचो कि आप how pathetic is it that you're relying on a thing that's not even human. You're asking it for ideas, advices. You're asking a thing that's not even human. अल्लाह ताला ने हमें बनाया और हमें ऑलरेडी ये सारी एबिलिटीज़ दी हैं, तो हम एक ऐसी चीज़ पे रिलाई कर क्यों रहे हैं? और अब हम इतने ज़्यादा रिलाई करते हैं कि हम खुद कुछ नहीं कर पाते.
Okay, so I want to say that you said that you deleted AI, ChatGPT and Gemini and all. So I want to say कि okay, I agree कि वो थोड़ा सा lazy बना देता है इंसान को, but it's very helpful also. Like कितनी सारी चीज़ें it makes it easier for you.
But what about the time when it did not exist? तब तो आप इंसान खुद करते हैं ना ये सारी
Okay,
चीज़ें.
I agree. तब की बात तब थी. Now you have something
No,
very easy,
that's
convenient. Why
yeah,
do you,
that's the whole point, na.
like we're smarter,
You are-
not harder.
No, you think you're working smarter, but in the future it's gonna impact you so badly.
Who cares?
When you
about
can't even
future?
write a fucking email when you're working in HR and you can't
Yeah.
even write a fucking email by yourself.
I feel like that's what's happening already. Okay, people are not.
Yeah,
able to
but
do
now
anything
if
by
I talk
themselves.
about kind of designs, if you want to make, like if you give a prompt to ChatGPT, it just makes you for like 5 मिनट में आपको बना देगा, या बहुत से बहुत 2 मिनट में बना देगा. But if you do खुद से, okay, थोड़ी सी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा. And also you have to pay for it. जब आपका फ्री में काम हो रहा है ChatGPT से and everybody is using, then why do you hate it?
No, because एक तो पहली बात, अगर आप चैट जीपीटी से बनाओगे और अगर आप खुद मेहनत करके बनाओगे, एक तो सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल ही अलग होगा. इंसान जब खुद मेहनत करके काम करता है तो अलग सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है, और किसी से कुछ 5 मिनट में बना लेगा तो अलग, बिल्कुल वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं आएगी. और दूसरी बात, वो आपका आउटपुट भी इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. चैट जीपीटी जो बनाता है अभी तक, आप देख के पता कर रहे हो कि अच्छा ये चैट जीपीटी बनाया है, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो सिमिलर. वो ह्यूमन टच उसमें से मिसिंग होता है.
So what I was saying was that I do understand where her hate is coming from, because I get कि even the fact that you got to hate AI because लोग इतना ज़्यादा AI को use करते हैं that they've gotten so used to it. I feel like you've put a limit to yourself and you've realized
Yeah.
कि this thing, I need to get rid of it. And some people are not realizing it.
Yeah. Also, I won't say like I'm a perfect person. I do sometimes use it because, like I said, इतना ज़्यादा नॉर्मलाइज हो गया है. You know what pisses me off the most? You do your own. मैं एक बंदी हूँ, मैं अपना काम खुद कर रही हूँ, मैं दूसरे बंदे को देती हूँ अपना काम और वो AI पे डाल देता है. That literally happened with me and it pissed me off so much. A group member, I wrote a script all by myself and then he just gave it to AI. I was like, bro, मैं अपनी effort कर रही हूँ और आप AI को दे रहे हो. मतलब मेरी effort करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, because it's so normalized now कि people don't even like, they trust AI, they don't even trust real people anymore.
अच्छा फातिमा, आपको क्या लगता है कि एआई फ्यूचर में ह्यूमन जॉब्स को रिप्लेस कर देगा?
फ्यूचर में क्या, अभी से शुरू हो गया ये सब तो.
I agree.
Unfortunately, this is the sad reality that AI is replacing humans, and I just wish I could stop it because it's not the same.
I
Like,
feel like
I think वैसे
yeah.
it can never replace humans because humans अलग ही
are
होते
the
हैं.
ones that created
we
AI.
yeah we created AI. We
Yeah.
cannot imagine how stupid it sounds that something we created is just gonna take over us.
Yeah, that sounds very
That's
stupid.
insane.
And the fact that we're getting to that intellectual ability, हम अपने आप को
Yeah.
downgrade कर रहे हैं in terms of intellect. We've just decided कि this is the limit.
Yeah.
This is the most knowledge that someone can have, according
Yeah.
to people. कि AI is the most knowledgeable. AI is the most trustworthy. You cannot
It's
gain
not
knowledge from
even-
anyone, like anywhere. Even the concept of libraries. I used to go to the library. Did you used to go to the library for
Yeah,
studying?
definitely.
Do you now?
No.
Do you see people going to libraries like they used to?
No.
See, they
Absolutely
don't.
not. Why would they go to the library when they're just one click away you can get everything?
Yes, exactly.
They don't even going to the library तो बहुत दूर की बात है. अब तो assignments भी AI से ही करवाते हैं. Assignments खुद अपने इंसान तौफीक नहीं करता कि खुद assignments करे, तो library तो क्या ही बात है.
अच्छा, एज यू सेड के असाइनमेंट्स हम एआई से करते हैं, तो
Yeah.
हमारे जो टीचर्स हैं वो एआई से प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं बनाते. व्हाट अबाउट दैट?
बनाते होंगे,
Like-
उनको भी नहीं बनानी चाहिए. I'm not saying it's just a student issue.
या
It's everyone.
इट्स एवरीवन.
I think AI should only be used. Maybe I genuinely think कि AI जो है सबके लिए available नहीं होना चाहिए था. Maybe सिर्फ industry तक रखते, but to the common people उनके लिए नहीं होना चाहिए था.
I agree with that. I
Like
definitely agree
industries
with
में
that.
use करते हैं, maybe to do impossible like things like one of my professors, I'm in media, right? तो one of my professors was telling me कि एक scene था, वो लोग किसी लेस के चिप्स का ad shoot कर रहे थे, और उस सीन को अगर वो लोग खुद शूट करते ना, बस बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सीन था, तो उनको कोई 6-7 घंटे लग जाते एक सीन शूट करने में, बट AI से उन्होंने वो बनवा लिया था आई गेस 1-2 घंटे में.
Acha, so Fatma, what are your thoughts on the way that AI is being used to, impersonate people or even create people that are not real? Have you seen such
It
Instagram
is
profiles?
so scary. Oh my god, yes.
And it's very
like,
realistic.
It is very realistic and I'm just scared. Like अभी भी चलो थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग किसी तरीके से कभी कभी रियलाइज कर लेते हैं, बट अभी आई एम जस्ट स्केयर्ड कि अगर और ज़्यादा एडवांस हो गया तो फिर तो वी वोंट नो एनीथिंग एट ऑल कि क्या रियल है क्या फेक है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. अभी तो मे बी वी लुक फॉर स्मॉल इम्परफेक्शंस लाइक ओ मे बी उसकी 4 उंगलियां हैं 5 नहीं है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. वी ट्राई टू लुक फॉर हिडन समथिंग हिडन कि कुछ पता चल जाए, लेकिन आई एम जस्ट स्केयर्ड कि ये और ज़्यादा अगर एडवांस हो गया तो फिर क्या ही होगा. एंड आई हैव सीन दोज फेक प्रोफाइल्स, दे लुक रियली रियल, दे डोंट लुक फेक एट ऑल.
Yeah, that's true.
हमारा टॉपिक है डार्क सेटअप एआई, तो उससे रिलेटेड इफ़ आई टॉक टू यू के जो हमारी डीप फेक और फेक एआई कंटेंट हमारे लिए कितना डेंजरस हो सकता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
ऑब्वियसली इट्स डेंजरस, स्पेशली अब सोचें एक पॉइंट आएगा हमें पता नहीं होगा क्या रियल है क्या फेक है. लाइक इवन न्यूज़ चैनल्स, अब जैसे कि बीच में वो आ रही थी ना, आई थिंक उसकी इजराइल के जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं,
Yeah.
तो वी डिड नॉट नो कि इफ ही वाज अलाइव
I
और
heard
नॉट,
that, yeah.
एंड एवरीबडी वाज क्वेश्चनिंग कि इज आर द फुटेजेस जो आगे आ रही हैं आर दे रियल और आर दे एआई. Because अब तो ये भी इतनी ईजी हो जाता है, हमें एक पॉइंट आएगा कि हमें पता ही नहीं होगा क्या रियल है क्या फेक है, एंड एवरीबडी इज जस्ट गोना फूल अस.
एग्जैक्टली, अभी भी वी कैन सी देयर आर सो मैनी वीडियोस जो कि इतनी रियल लगती हैं दैट वी कैन नॉट डिफरेंशिएट कि ये एआई है या फिर
Yeah.
And I think for me, the scariest thing is that, in cases, like according to, crimes,
Yeah.
so usme there is no longer any video or photo evidence. Like you
Yeah.
cannot use that
You
because
cannot use that because you can easily generate it.
it's not even detectable anymore. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
so
fake
that
or
is just
it's
gonna be
real.
out of the picture. Photo evidence.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's gonna
It's gonna
be
be
out of the
fake.
picture. So
Yeah.
it's just gonna get harder for us.
It's not believable, and I feel like this
You can
is
easily-
gonna make things harder for people because what other way can you prove your innocence? What other way can
Yeah.
you tell someone that this person is a criminal? Like, how is that going to be possible?
Yeah. They can easily like आप पे आसानी से कोई भी इल्ज़ाम लगा सकते हैं और फुटेज ले आएगा कोई सी भी कुछ भी. It can work both ways.
Exactly.
वैसे आपके अकॉर्डिंग लाइक एआई के सबसे स्केरी मिसयूज़ जो आपको लगता है कि हो सकता है या हुआ हो?
I think scary तो यही है कि that अच्छा हैव यू गाइस सीन कि अब तो इन्फ्लुएंसर सेलिब्रिटीज़ को उठा के लोग उनको जो लाइक या तो उनको डिफरेंट कपड़े बनाते हैं लाइक इमेजिन you're out there you're आपका जो लाइक अगर आप पब्लिक फिगर हो तो लोग आपके उठा के आपका मुंह आपको लाइक दे कैन डू एनीथिंग वी
That's
डोंट
true.
नो
Deepfakes.
they can
Deepfakes.
yeah they can make nudes and whatever you don't know anything
That's true.
they can do anything जब वो ये सब कर सकते हैं तो किस एक्सटेंट तक we don't know.
Yeah, and even they can make videos, deepfake videos.
Yeah,
That's
they
even
do make videos
scarier.
actually. I think कुछ आया था बीच में कि एक नया कुछ लॉन्च हुआ और उससे men are using that to do things.
Yeah, exactly. And I think this should be banned. Like, this is too much. This is too much of AI.
Yeah, so exactly that's my point. People can take
Yeah.
anybody's photos or anybody
It should be limited.
and just use them however they want. तो
I feel like जितनी
have to be
ज़्यादा
very
AI की
cautious.
possibilities आ रही है ना, आप थोड़ा से start करते हो and then you go to this level where you can't come back.
yeah,
You
I
can't come
agree.
back. I feel like, obviously I'm not saying this by experience, but I'm saying this because there's a lot of people that actually do that, and these things do come to light, and they could create a lot of misconceptions. Like deepfakes create misconceptions, and they
Yeah.
ruin people's lives.
Yeah, they're ruining it's ruining people's lives. AI is doing more harm than good.
स्टूडेंट्स और जो हमारी जो यंग जनरेशन है जो कि एआई को अभी यूज़ कर रही है, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि उनको किन चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना चाहिए?
I think not from a student point of view, but जैसे जो बच्चे होते हैं ना, ट्रेंड्स इतनी चलती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. अभी वो बेसबॉल ट्रेंड चल रही है ना एआई वाली,
Yeah.
तो दे सेंड देयर पिक्चर्स टू एआई
ओके सो
और लोग अपनी तस्वीरें वगैरह भी भेज देते हैं एआई को, एंड दैट इज़ नॉट सेफ एट ऑल. नेवर एवर गिव योर पिक्चर्स टू एआई. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आर सो ब्लाइंड. देयर डूइंग दोस स्टूपिड ट्रेंड्स.
आई एम द वन डूइंग दैट ट्रेंड बाय द वे. Okay, recently I was using CapCut and I saw कि उसमें AI वाला कोई फीचर था एंड आप अपने अंदर आप अपनी पिक्चर उस पर अपलोड करो एंड देन आपकी ही पिक्चर बातें करेगी आपसे.
See, that is so
And-
creepy.
And that's like it, and I did it and I was like I want to try it and I tried it और वो तस्वीर बोल रही थी whatever I gave the text वो आराम से बोल रही थी. मतलब आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा वो
See,
रियल है
it's
फेक है.
so creepy.
And it's like उसको डालने से पहले it gave me something कि like they can use this and that and this.
But then there's
Yeah.
also people that are like, you know, Suki Waterhouse. Is
no.
Oh, you don't know her? She's a singer, and then everyone was using AI, and AI trends kar rahe the. So she was like, "Oh, if you have a question, ask me. I might know
Oh
it
yeah,
better
I
than
think
AI."
I saw that.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I feel like there
सोशल
are
मीडिया पे
people.
ट्रेंड्स चल रही हैं
Yeah.
कि oh don't ask AI, ask me.
Yeah, exactly. You can talk to me if you're bored. Don't talk
Yeah.
to AI because AI is literally it's ruining you. It's ruining the
You know the
people around
thing,
you.
the main reason I hate AI so much is because it wastes so much water. People don't realize this. They don't
I
know
got to
about
know this from you. I got to know this from you.
Yeah,
I
they
didn't
don't know
And I
about
didn't
it.
believe it.
Can you
That-
just please explain how does it waste water?
So basically जहाँ पर ये सारे डेटा सेंटर्स रखे हैं AI के, they use a bunch of fresh water. तो if I think अगर हम एक टेक्स्ट भेजते हैं AI को तो वो I think 1 liter of fresh water use करता है, और that water cannot be reused again. It cannot be recycled. So our resources are getting used up because of a stupid. Imagine you're wasting so much water for your stupid baseball trend. Just think about it. Already climate change इतना हो रहा है, ऊपर से लोग ये वाली हरकतें
yeah,
कर रहे
but
हैं.
you know that was in trend, so yeah, it will get viral.
But people
so
don't know now that it's causing harm to us.
It's fine, but it's my benefit as well because I'm gaining popularity because of that baseball
Yeah.
trend.
Oh, really? And in 5 years when there will be no water, what about your stupid popularity then?
Exactly. I feel like,
Are you gonna care?
and also because, you know, now that everyone's using AI, they feel like, okay, we have to compete in this matter. Like if other people are using
Yeah.
AI, if I don't use AI, I'm falling behind. Okay.
Yeah,
एग्जैक्टली
peer
आई थिंक कि
pressure.
अगर किसी को
Yeah.
नहीं यूज़ करना आता वी एक्चुअली थिंक कि वो बहुत डम है लाइक
I don't think that.
you're
I think
you're not in
dumb
this
if you use it.
generation.
I think
I
if
think
you
you're
don't
dumb if
know
you use
how
it,
to
if
use
you-
AI, you're pretty much saved from
Yeah.
this.
Okay, मेरी एक दोस्त है, उसका एक फ्रेंड था, he liked a girl ना or whatever. अच्छा, he had ChatGPT का कोई pro version. तो पता नहीं कैसे he messaged his ChatGPT के oh I want to find the profile of this person और उसने ढूंढ के दे दी.
Wow, that's so cool.
That is cool. That is creepy
I
as
think I
fuck.
should buy ChatGPT Pro.
No, that is creepy. Like imagine.
Okay, I know that's creepy. आप किसी की
ऐसा
profile
कुछ हुआ
निकालो,
था.
but that's so amazing. Like you can get anyone's profile.
And they used to like use ChatGPT to stalk that person.
Wow,
Wow, you're saying wow?
that's fascinating me.
No, it's not. That's so
Mm.
creepy.
Yeah, that's creepy.
I'm
AI
really
is
scared
creepy.
about my digital footprint right now. Like, maybe AI can use it
AI is definitely dangerous, but I do support it.
to. No, you should not. Support
I know you
it.
don't.
My
I
whole
know you
thing
don't.
is, I'm here so that I can de-influence you.
I'm not de-influenced right now.
We know why Fatma's here.
Maybe a little bit, but not that much.
Like, okay, I know it's hard. Trust me. मैंने खुद I got so used to using it, and it's very very difficult to just like step back from that. मैं खुद भी I'm not a perfect person. Sometimes I do use it, and I really really feel very guilty when I use it.
Acha, so like one more thing. Have you noticed कि like when you're on an app or जैसे तुम if you're on Pinterest, ठीक है? You see a photo of like something that you like, and then you see the same thing on Instagram, and then you see the same thing on another app.
Oh, bro, yeah.
That's the algorithm that's being aligned according to what you like.
Also, it's
So do you not find it scary?
I
Does it
find
not
it
scare you
very scary.
sometimes?
You know what? I think मैंने ना अपने ChatGPT मैंने use करी थी तो मैंने उसको I think I don't like have conversations with my ChatGPT. Okay, some people do that. They use it as a therapist. They trauma dump on it, but I don't do that obviously. But I think मैं किसी काम के लिए use करी थी तो मैंने ChatGPT को बोला था कि मुझे इसका idea चाहिए किसी चीज़ का. तो he was like, because you're a journalist student, okay, so I'm recommending this idea to you. And I was like, who told ChatGPT that I'm a journalist student? So I was very, very creeped out. And I went back and I looked at all my chats, but I have never told my ChatGPT that. So how the fuck did it figure that out? I'm so confused. So it clearly is listening to our conversations. And I believe in that. Because कभी-कभी होता है ना आप like maybe खाने की बात कर रहे हो कि oh I'm craving fries, and you open Instagram and the first thing you get is a pop-up ad
Yeah,
of fries. So
exactly.
so yeah, that is so creepy.
I
One
think
more, yeah.
that's so good. मतलब मुझे अभी कपड़े लेने हैं तो फिर उसको पता है कि मुझे कपड़े लेने हैं और फिर मुझे कपड़ों की एड्स दिखाते हैं and I can easily buy
I
clothes.
think-
I think it might manipulate you as well into liking something that you actually don't like. You know?
Yeah.
I think
It can manipulate you in ways ke like, oh, you did this before, then you would like this now. And you start to believe it because you think that AI is your personal diary and knows more about you than anyone else, even yourself. So you start to question, oh, maybe I do like this.
इतनी सारी ट्रेंड्स आती हैं बीच में and then in the future we won't be able to tell the difference between what actually happened and what was like
yeah,
AI, because we'll think maybe we did go to the stupid baseball game.
That's
Okay,
false memory. That's
Yeah.
false
can
memory.
you just define that baseball trend you're talking about? वो है
Or
क्या?
it's just like people edit themselves, they look super hot, and there's like a
Thirst trapping.
yeah, thirst trapping. And they're like looking super fine, or like shots बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, beauty shots, and like पीछे music चल रहा है. It's just
Which
like a stupid
obviously
trend.
came from like a real life reference because you know
Yeah,
there's
I
like
think-
when you're at a baseball game there's cams, right? There's cameras. So they point to people who actually look good or like are doing
Yeah.
something, and that's how they go viral. And now everyone just
It's
because
like,
they
oh,
cannot afford
We
a
can now go to a baseball
yeah,
game, so
they
let's
can't go
just-
to a baseball game, so they just want to sit at home and create it. And you know what? It does not look good. It looks rubbish.
It looks fake.
It
First
looks
of all, it
good.
looks fake.
It looks good. You're having
I'm
a
sorry.
free beauty shots.
Okay,
like,
but listen to me. Why would you
wow.
want a video or like footage of something which never existed?
I'm still gonna create it.
I'm still gonna judge you.
You can judge me.
Oh, I
See, it's more
definitely
about
will.
perspective. If you're trying
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
thing is, people who are doing that trend are just like trying to please the people who want to watch it. want to watch the stuff.
Yeah, there are people like me who wants to watch it because I am the one who was watching those videos of people जिन्होंने बनाई है ये.
So that influenced you, but
Yeah,
that influence is not exactly
it's kind
positive.
of it's
not
for
a
my kind of audience.
Just straight up fake. Like it's
Yeah.
you don't even go to that place if you want to create a trend. Like there's dances, trends में dances आ जाते हैं या people go to a place and make trends. But यहाँ पर तो you're just literally the trend
Even
is that you
memes
generate.
become trends.
Yeah, you just generate a stupid video.
Okay, तो अब हम आते हैं रैपिड फायर राउंड की तरफ जो हम खेलेंगे फातिमा के साथ.
What's
तो
that?
फातिमा, are you ready? We're
I-
gonna ask you some questions और आपको quickly जवाब देना होगा इसका.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay. So, the first question is, पहले आप बताएं आप ready हैं?
I guess we'll find out.
Okay. So, online classes या physical classes?
Physical.
Okay. AI assistant या human tutor?
Human tutor.
Okay. One word for AI in education.
One word. No.
You don't need AI in education. Okay.
Or like
um,
limit. Maybe.
homework by yourself or with AI's help?
Myself. You
Okay.
guys already know the answers to all my. All,
I
like,
know. But we still
Future
gotta ask.
classrooms में what do you want कि हमारे इंसानी teachers होने चाहिए या फिर robots को replace कर देना चाहिए?
What kind of question is even that? Like, why would I want to study from a robot? Robots are for working, not for teaching.
Oh,
You
what
make
are
them
your-
work.
अच्छा, AI से जो exams check कराते हैं या फिर you want physical checking?
I think
For that, it kind of
I
makes
think
sense.
AI makes sense for that
Yeah.
because it's gonna be
You have to reply quickly.
okay. AI
One thing AI can never replace.
humans. Wait,
Okay,
let me
that
think about
was-
this one.
That was very quick. I'd see that. Human.
Or
People think
Fatma
that
ने-
AI can replace humans, but I just feel like deep down it really cannot.
Okay,
Yeah, it
फातिमा आपने काफ़ी क्विक जवाब दिए और बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग जवाब दिए.
So, thank you everyone for listening to Brain Meets Pod. Thank you Fatma for being here. और हम फिर मिलेंगे एक नए एपिसोड के साथ जहां हम टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशन के बीच के कनेक्शन को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.